my channel Future Generation in Mathematics. If you like my video, you can subscribe it and you can share it. Today my topic is differentiation. Differentiation is, before going that differentiation, we all know that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Here addition, multiplication is one group, subtraction and division is one group. Here addition, multiplication, we all know that so many times we have to add, we will get answer 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Multiplication we get easily 2 into 4, 8. This is one group. Okay, like that only. More subtraction will get simple. We can do division. This is one group, this is one group. This is addition and multiplication will use for integration. And this is for differentiation. Differentiation. I will tell lastly in differentiation, what is the use, subtraction and division, how we have to keep in mind. By keeping this subtraction and division one group, you will get differentiation formula. And here differentiation, what is the differentiation? We will tell definition, instantaneous rate of change. Instantaneous rate of change. We will study what is an instantaneous rate of change. Before going that instantaneous rate of change, first we will see constant. What is a constant? We all know that constant 2, 3, pi, that all are constant. There are two types of constant. Absolute constant, arbitrary constant. What are the absolute constant? Here absolute constant means suppose 2, 4 like that and pi like that all are absolute constant. What is an arbitrary constant? Arbitrary constant means depends on problem, that constant may be varies. What is the formula? Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Here sometimes it will denote it with x, y, z like that we can denote it. Here sometimes speed, if we go in bike 30 kilometers, time I am taking 2 hours, one person will go, 3 hours, one person will go. Here speed is constant and time is varies. This is called arbitrary constant. And sometimes I will take time is constant. Time I am taking 1 hour. Speed, one person will go 20 kilometers per hour and one person will go 30 kilometers. Depends on person, depends on time, speed, depends on problem. Sometimes speed is constant, sometimes time is constant. This is called arbitrary constant. Depends on problem. We will take constant. I think arbitrary constant you can understand. You can understand, I think so. Now we'll see variable. What is a variable? Variable means, suppose y is depend on x. Y is depend on x. Here variable means y is equal to f of x. Here variable also two types are there. Variable are two types. One is dependent, another one is independent variable. dependent variable. Here y is depend on x. Y is depend on x. That is a dependent variable. What is an independent variable? X is independent variable. I think you can understand what is a dependent variable and what is an independent variable. Here y is dependent variable with x on x. Y is dependent variable on x and x is independent variable. Y is equal to f of x. If x varies means y also varies. If x changes means y also change. Let us x varies to x plus delta x. Automatically y also varies, no? What will get? Y is varies, y plus delta y also varies. Here y is equal to f of x. Here delta y become delta x. Y plus delta y becomes f of x plus delta x. Here x changes to x plus delta x, y changes to y plus delta x. Here x changes to x plus delta x means y also changes to y plus delta y. Here y plus delta y means f of x is also changed now. What will it will change? F x plus delta x. Here change in y by change in x. Here change in y means f of change in f of x plus delta x minus f of x means here change in x. X plus delta x. Here x plus delta x minus x. Here x plus delta x minus x. Here change in y means y plus delta. Y plus delta y means difference. F of x plus delta x minus f of x, x plus delta x minus x. Here f of x plus delta x is nothing but change in y. Y plus delta y. Y plus delta y minus y. Here x will cancel. What will get? Delta x. Delta y by delta x. It is nothing but rate of change. Already differentiation means instantaneous rate of change. I have already found rate of change. Now we have to find it instantaneous rate of change. Rate of change. We have seen what is the rate of change. Rate of change is two types. One is average rate of change and another one is instantaneous rate of change. What is an average rate of change? In a figure, this is a time. X-axis is a time and y-axis is a distance. Here time and distance. A person is going in bike 1 kilometer. Here 1 kilometer. He went. Afterwards, he went 2 kilometers. Some constant is there. Some constant. And another slope. Another half an hour. He went. Like that. We can find average distance. We can find average speed. How much speed the person have went in bike. What is a change in y by change in x? y2 minus here. Let us take initial value is an x1 and final value x2. Here initial value y1, final value y2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We can find the some distances. Here 5 by 5. What will get? 1. Change in y. This is called average rate of change. We are averaging the speed of the person by distance per time. And here next we'll go to instantaneous rate of change. In instantaneous rate of change, the graph is not straight like this. మనకి మన బైక్లో వెళ్తుంటే హెచ్చు తగ్గులుగా ఉంటాయి కదా రోడ్లు, అప్పుడు వెళ్ళడానికి చాలా కష్టం అవుతుంది. ఇదైతే స్ట్రైట్గా ఉంది, తర్వాత కొంచెం కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఉంది, మళ్ళీ స్ట్రైట్గా ఉంది, కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఉంది, ఇలా వెళ్ళగలుగుతాం. కానీ ఇలా వెళ్తున్నాము, కానీ ఇక్కడ రోడ్ చిన్న చిన్న సందులు ఇలా యావరేజ్ కనుక్కోవడానికి చాలా కష్టం. కాబట్టి మనం ఏం తీసుకుంటాం, ఒక పాయింట్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఆ పాయింట్ తీసుకొని పాయింట్ పి తీసుకొని దాని ఒక యావరేజ్ దగ్గరలో ఒక పాయింట్స్ తీసుకుని అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ వీ ఆర్ టేకింగ్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్ వాల్యూస్. ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్లీ, దే ఆర్ సమ్ అప్ అండ్ డౌన్స్. For that we are taking some point P, we are taking approximately, we are taking a point P in a graph. We are taking a point P, we are taking approximately value, very near value. Suppose P is equal to 6 means we are taking 5.99996 like that. Approximately value we are taking. Okay, like that we are dividing these curves in certain parts. We are dividing certain parts like this, and we are taking approximate values of a point P. Here what is the value of change in y by change in x, change in y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 means change in y means delta y by delta x. y2 minus y1 delta y, change in y, and change in x means delta x. We are taking approximate values, approximate to 0, which approaches to that value, approximately 0. That's why we are taking limit delta x is approaches to 0, then delta y by delta x. This is nothing but instantaneous rate of change. What we'll call it as an instantaneous rate of change. That is, we'll call it as a dy by dx. dy by dx. Here differentiation means dy by dx. Here change in y by change in x is nothing but dy by dx. This is in differentiation. I already told first differentiation. What is differentiation? When two groups, subtraction and division is one group, nothing but differentiation. I told you, no. Now I will tell you. Here subtraction, another word, what we'll call it as an difference. What we'll call it as a difference. Difference plus division, we'll call it as a differentiation. Here see, this is a difference. y2 minus 1 is a difference. Here also x2 minus x1 is a division. Here also difference. And here y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, we are doing division. What are the operations we are doing? Subtraction and division. That's why we will call it as a differentiation. To keep in mind, we can use difference plus division. Okay. Thank you.